Hello guys, today we will see the sorting functions in PHP. The sorting functions are very important in any program to sort the given array in any order, ascending or descending. So in PHP, there are inbuilt sorting functions given. So according to that functions, we can sort the given array, any kind of array, any type of array in different order, ascending, descending, according to the key or according to the value in the array. So in today's session we will see that functions in detail. After that we will see the example with the program, and you will understand how to use these functions in PHP and how to write the code for that. So the first function is sort, sort, sort. So this function sort arrays in ascending order. If the array is given, any number of elements are in that array, so the sort function will sort the array in ascending order. Then the next function is rsort. Rsort function is used to sort arrays in descending order. So rsort is opposite to the sort function. The third function, sorting function, is asort. So it uses the arrays to sort associative arrays in ascending order according to the value. In associative arrays, there are two values or two different things are there. One is key and one is value. So asort function sort associative array in ascending order according to the value. So fourth function is ksort. So ksort function sort associative arrays in ascending order according to the key. So difference between asort and ksort is both are sorting associative arrays in ascending order, but in asort there is according to value and in ksort there is according to key. Then the fifth function is arsort, which sort associative arrays in descending order according to value. So asort and arsort, these are two opposite functions. One sorts array in ascending order and one sorts array in descending order according to the value. Then the sixth function is krsort, where it sorts associative arrays in descending order according to key. So the krsort is the opposite to ksort, we can say. Okay, and it both the functions are sorting the arrays in descending order and ascending order respectively. So we will see the example, that is the code for this sorting functions in PHP. So we will see this. Okay, so these sorting functions, this code is started by PHP tag. Then we are giving the heading, that is we are writing this function for sorting. So in h3 tag we have written this sorting keyword. Then the cars variable is taken for array. In array we have taken three elements: Volvo, BMW, Toyota. So in cars there are three elements: Volvo, BMW, Toyota. First we have written the sort function here. So sort in bracket $cars. So what it does, this sort function sort this given cars array in ascending order. So according to the alphabets it will sort. Then the so that the C length variable is equal to count cars. Here it will count the number of elements in cars array and it will store to C length variable. Okay, it is just used to print all the elements one by one in the array which is sorted. Okay, so for loop is used where x is equal to 0, x less than C length and x plus plus, and we are echoing cars of x, then break. Then R sort, it will sort the given array in descending order. So in similar way, the R sort is work but in descending order. So it will sort this array in descending order according to alphabets. Okay, and similarly it will count the length and it will print the descending order sorted array one by one with the help of for loop. Then the next function is a sort. This a sort function sorts the associative array in ascending order. Okay, and it will sort according to the value. So here age1 is variable taken for this storing the array which is associated. Here the name is here and Peter, and 35 is the age of the Peter. Then Ben's age is 37, Joe's age is 43. After a sort, it will sort this associative array according to value here. And for each loop is used to write the our associative array in ascending order according to value. So age1 as x, here we have taken x value. So echo key is equal to value is equal to, and for each loop prints all the elements in associative array according to value here. Similarly, ksort is the function to sort this associative array according to key. The difference is here it will sort according to value and here it will sort according to key. Okay, and it will sort in ascending order only. So similar way the code is here, only we have used ksort function here. Then AR sort, it will sort this associative array in according to value in descending order. So in the same way the function will work but in descending order, and here it is according to value and here it is according to key. The kr sort is the function which is sort this associative array in descending order according to key here. So the code is here where we have used the for each loop for each operation. Okay, this is the code. After that we will see the output of this. So for that we will click here and see the output, what is the exact the output is. So here is the ascending order BMW, Toyota, Volvo. R sort, it will in descending order Volvo, Toyota, BMW according to alphabets. A sort, it will sort this associative array according to value. So value is in ascending order, so 35, 37, 43, and in descending order according to value. This is in ascending order according to key here. So Ben, Joe, and Peter. AR sort associative array in descending order according to value. So 43, 37, 35. It is in descending order. And here descending order according to key. So Peter, Joan, Ben. So this is the output of our today's program. So if you have any query, comment down in the comment box, and I am very glad to answer that query. Also, do like, comment, and share this video to your. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.